Located on Treaty 1 territory and the traditional land of the Anishinaabe, Cree, Oji-Cree, Dakota and Dene people and the homeland of the Métis Nation, Collège Garden City Collegiate prides itself on a history of providing students with an opportunity to achieve academic excellence, a sense of self-worth, and a belief in the importance of connecting with community.
Or you have not handed in your calendar. Those are both extremely past due.
With an enrollment of approximately 1,400, Garden City aims to provide our students with a diverse range of subjects, opportunities, and experiences.
So sanding takes away material with this. You just want to give everything a nice light sand. You don't want to push down and you don't want to sand the edges.
At Garden City, we strive to achieve educational success for all of our students.
Did this work okay? This was okay? Okay.
With a passionate staff of dedicated teachers, our goal is to see success for all learners.
We're going to look for anywhere from 8 to 10 points on this side, and 8 to 10 points on this side.
In addition to our strong academic programming, our diverse range of extracurricular clubs, sports teams, and student-led groups allows for every student to find a connection within the school. The facilities at Garden City provide our students with a wonderful learning environment. From our first-class physical education facilities to the state-of-the-art Seven Oaks Performing Arts Center, students will be proud to call our school home.
Hello, and welcome to Collège Garden City Collegiate. My name is Tony Kreml, principal here at Garden City. I'd like to welcome all students and families to our school this evening as you meet with your advocacy teachers. Students, we know that one of the questions that you have as you meet with your advocacy teachers is, what is high school life really like? The other question I'm sure that you have is, what are the opportunities that are available to me here at Garden City? What are the extracurriculars? What are the clubs? What are the sports? These are all very important questions. For information on this and more, I'm honored to introduce both Gracie and RJ, who can talk about their experiences here at Garden City, just to give you a short window into what that may be like.
My name is Gracie Grift. I am a grade 12 student here at Garden City Collegiate, and I am the current student body president. Life in high school is very busy, but it's also all about what you make of it. It's definitely a time when we're all kind of growing up, all trying to find where we fit in, and I think that's a good representation of kind of what these years are like. So you can definitely choose to have a more low-key lifestyle. You can choose to then focus on your academics or in that, or if you really want to find something you're interested in, you can go and pursue the hundreds of clubs here. Even if you've had an interest in something like water polo or field hockey, we have teams like that. We have rugby, football, track. The teachers are passionate about helping you with your future. They want to see you do well, and they'll do everything in their power now to kind of help you find your passion and let you express it in the future.
Hi, I'm RJ. I'm a grade 12 student here at Garden City. What is high school life really like? Well, when you start out, it can be pretty intimidating. School's big, everyone's tall, and it could be an intimidating environment, but when you really get into it, everyone's really doing the same thing as you are. Everyone's very welcoming, all the staff is very much supportive. You can ask your teachers for anything, like if you're having trouble with something, you could ask them, and the supportive staff here will answer your question, explain it in a way that you would know. And that's something that I really appreciate about Garden City is the staff, the availability of resources for helping. Here at Garden City, something that I've found to be very useful are just clubs at lunch. Student council, for one, is one that I really appreciate. And there you can organize events like grade wars or just fundraisers for the community. I'm really glad I chose to go here at Garden City.
Students, families, thanks for your time this evening. We certainly hope that your time with our advocacy teachers and registrations is a productive one. And in closing, again, I would like to welcome you to College Garden City Collegiate.
Welcome to Garden City.
Welcome to Garden City.
And enjoy your high school experience.